Good morning, gentlemen. We have decided to go ahead with certain spiritual videos. Superstition, soul to super soul. We have already released. Now, other very important thing is God. You remember all these super spiritual power related videos we are releasing because it brings the confidence. It enhance your trust. It enhance your values. It creates positive aura. It creates a positive philosophy, human philosophy, management philosophy, and social philosophy, personal life philosophy, and all around you become the optimistic, and then you can do everything in the life. My dear friend, therefore we have chosen to make some videos on the spiritual quotient SQ, and out of that these topics are there which I have named. Now another thing is that anything goes wrong in the life, you say, oh my God, अरे गॉड क्या हो गया, अरे मैं क्या करूं, मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मैं तो एकदम ब्लैकआउट हो गया हूं, ये तो कैसे हो गया. When these questions starts coming in the mind at the occasion of the problems, difficulties, pessimism, then you say, oh my God, what is this here? Why you are not naming your friend? Oh my Amar, oh my Rahim, oh my Krishna, oh my Atul. Why you are naming? Why you are not crying, taking their name? Because there is something in you. That is your soul. The antenna of the soul is connected with the antenna of the super soul. Atma se Paramatma. And he is your friend, philosopher, guide, parent. तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो. जब आप इस तरीके के विश्वास करते हैं तो किन्हीं लोगों को किन्हीं न किन्हीं रूपों में मदद आ जाती है. या आप कहते हैं अरे यार माइंड में कुछ तो टक से हुआ, कुछ तो क्लिक किया, कुछ तो ब्लिंक किया. वो क्या है? वो टिक किया, वो ब्लिंक किया, वो कुछ तो आया और आपकी फिलोसॉफी चेंज हो गई. यू गॉट द वे आउट. हु डज ऑल दिस थिंग? ओ माय गॉड, गॉड. Let me say, are you anyone, if you can tell me the meaning of the God, please raise your finger and tell me what you know as far as God is concerned. No one. No problem. Don't get disappointed. That is what Dr. Srivastava is here. To share certain things in your life which is with you, which is among you, which you know, but you are ignoring. And by default. God means what? Generator. G for generator, who generates the universe, or who generates everything. whatever is being seen in this universe or other universe, which I don't know, but people says कि ऊपर भी है नीचे भी है. So whatever is being generated, seen, is your creature. Whose creation? That Almighty, that God. So God generates, पैदा करता है. O operates, the power of that Shakti which operates entire universe, चलाता है, पूरे यूनिवर्स को चलाता है, खिलाता है, पिलाता है, सूरज को निकालता है, चंद्रमा को निकालता है, वनस्पतियों को पैदा किया है, जीव जंतुओं को पैदा किया है, और हम मानव को भी पैदा किया हुआ, और हम सबको की रक्षा करता है, और हम सबको जिलाता है, खिलाता है, पिलाता है, हमको एंटरटेन करता है अदृश्य शक्ति बनके. तो गॉड वो है जिसके अंदर जनरेटिंग कैपेसिटी होती है, ऑपरेटिंग कैपेसिटी होती है, एंड डी फॉर डिसॉल्विंग, डिसॉल्व भी कर देता है, डिस्ट्रॉय भी कर देता है, डिस्ट्रक्टिव रूप भी दिखाता है. When situation comes without any consultant's opinion, God keep on doing this work of godness, that is the generating, operating and dissolving. फ्लड आ जाता है, साइक्लोन आ जाता है, सुनामी आ जाती है, ये कौन वाले गार्ड करते हैं? डी. Thus all the problems being created and being abolished, all the work of the D, which is part of the God. So God हमें जनरेट करता है, ऑपरेट करता है, डिसॉल्व करता है, डिस्ट्रॉय करता है, एंड therefore whoever this does this activity, Almighty, the power which we have not seen but we keep on hearing, that is the God. So when you come in turbulence, oh my God, what do I do? ये तो काम खराब हो गया, ये तो काम प्रॉब्लम में आ गया, हमारी लड़की की शादी नहीं हो रही है, हमारे लड़के की शादी नहीं हो रही है, हमारा लड़का पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा है, हमारी माँ का हेल्थ खराब हो गया है, हमारे पिताजी को ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. ओ माय गॉड, मैं क्या करूं? मेरी वाइफ सुनती नहीं है, अभी मैं क्या करूं? I have no way out. I have only problems, problems and problems. But when you surrender yourself in the majesty of the God, trust me, you start getting the sound and rays from somewhere in your mind and to your soul. It is said, which I will also accept, that souls functions under the instruction of the super soul. And this connection is like connection of the TV. If you fit the antenna outside your barja, your window, then waves are there in the atmosphere. It gets catch, and then your TV starts. Similarly, your soul is fit. When you connect it, when you use the soul in the connection of the super soul, then your mind, your inner peace, prosperities, and you get the light inside your body. you feel happiness, you feel as if you got everything in your life, and then you are having आनंद, खुशियाँ, यश, कीर्ति, मान, सम्मान, धन, वैभव. When your soul, antenna of your house get connected with the super soul, your antenna of the TV got connected with the open atmosphere. And you get the solution when you are working. It is not that you don't get okay, one thing you made and it got destroyed. You are suffering, mentally you are broken, you have lost your heart, and you started crying. To that extent I am talking to you. But if the same time, maintain the calm, peace, concentrate to super soul and keep yourself under control, I am challenging you, you will get the solution. You will get the solution. That super soul will guide you, because super soul is my parent. Super soul, what is parent? Parent who takes care. My tears, my pains, my every adversity, they take care and convert into the pleasure. Similarly, super soul, my parent, sits over there. Let's say that sits over there, are over there, and as soon as we land into difficulty, rather he knows you are going to land into difficulty, but he checks your behavior, that in the adversity, how you forget me, how you keep me aside, how you avoid me, and then he gives little punishment with the love. Then if you are avoiding me, then ting, you get little pain, you get little pinch, and then you start, oh my God, my life is very horrible and troublesome. So if you be in touch of super soul, if you touch of God, generators, operators and dissolver, you are not away from solution. You can grow in your personal life, social life and professional life, and you can overtake all the adversity coming in your life. My dear friend, my aim was only to tell you that trust in the spiritual quotient, spiritual intelligence, deal yourself with the meditation. As and when you land into difficulty, you will get the solution. Solution will run to you, rush to you, will love you as I love you. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends. Take care of your own interest. May God bless you. Thank you.